Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about iterate over a dictionary. In previous we have seen iterate over with the help of for loop over list and tuples, but today we are going to discuss about iterate over a dictionary. So what is a dictionary? We have talked about it earlier, but let me tell you that dictionary is like key colon values. So dictionary is a different data type. So different data type means like all the list and tuples used to store only single values, but here in dictionary it store multiple values. Like first of all we have keys and then we have their values, but with the colon also. So how we are going to iterate over it? So just check out in this discussion. So just go to our PyCharm and create a new file named as iterate over dictionaries. Hit enter and here is your file. So there are multiple ways to iterate over a dictionary. The first way is to iterate with the help of keys, then help then iterate with the help of values, and then iterate with the help of key value pairs. So in this video, first we will talk about iterate with the help of keys. So let's suppose we have a dictionary named as result, in which our every subject's result is stored, where we have English, Hindi, electrical as a subject, in engineering and a communication, and we have got all the scores regarding their subjects. And now if we want to iterate over a dictionary with the help of keys, then we will simply write here for, and then here let's say subject name, and then in result, and here we will print the subject name. Right click over here and run the program. So as you can see, we have got all the subject names, but we didn't get any of the values here, and that is how we can iterate with the help of keys. And if we want to iterate with the help of values, then what we're gonna do is, let's just type here with values, and I'm going to again use for loop, and I will write here as marks in result, but here I'm going to use dot values. So what actually this will do is, it will take all the values that we can see after the colon, and it will just print. If we give here the print statement, then the marks variable here will iterate between these, and it will ignore all these string values or keys. So here it will, if we want to print, then here I'm going to say marks and run it. So here, as you can see, first we have got from this for loop, we have got all the subjects, and from the loop number second we have got all the values. Now let's suppose you want to access both things, like keys and values both. So what you're gonna do is, for that we have discussed in our previous video also regarding the destructuring in Python. So destructuring is, I have told you that it is like dividing between 2 or 3 parts. So here like we have a single element here as English colon 24. So this is a single variable, single value, but we want to just divide them into 2, and for that we are going to here use our third way of solving the iteration, and that is with key and values. Alright, so here I'm going to write again for loop, and but here I will just write simply subject name and then comma comma, and then here I will say marks. And result, and here I will print with f string as in subject name I got marks. And if I run it, alright, so this was the mistake that I have to use here as a keyword named as items. So items, what it will do is it will just simply take this dictionary and take all the items. Let's say it will take the first item, and after taking it, we have already structured it into two parts. So the first part will be go into the subject name, and the value part will go to the marks. And the subject here I will get English, and in marks I will get 24. So this is how we, with the help of destructuring, we have completed our iteration over dictionaries. So that's it for this video. I hope you understand it, and thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.